I don't know why, but today I feel really tired. Not just physically, but mentally too. My mind keeps thinking about everything work, future, small details, and I can't stop it. Even when I sit quietly, my thoughts keep going. I feel like I'm always trying to fix things, improve things, plan things, but at the same time, I don't feel like I'm moving forward. It's like I'm stuck in the same place, just thinking more and more.
Yeah, I understand that feeling. It's like your mind is always running, even when your body wants to rest. But the problem is not that you're not moving forward. The problem is that you're trying to do everything at once. When you carry too many thoughts, even small things feel heavy. You don't need to solve your whole life today. Just slow down and take one step at a time.
I try to do that, but I always go back to overthinking. I compare myself to others. I look at what they are doing, and I feel like I'm late or not good enough. It's a bad habit, I know, but I can't stop it easily. Sometimes I wish I could just turn off my mind for a few hours.
Comparing yourself to others is one of the fastest ways to feel tired and unhappy. You're comparing your real life to what people show outside, and that's not the full truth. Everyone has problems. Everyone feels lost sometimes, but they don't show it. You're not late. You're just on a different path, and your path is yours, not anyone else's.
That makes sense, but emotionally, it's still hard. I feel like I need to do more, be better, achieve faster. And when I don't, I feel guilty for resting. Even when I sit down, I feel like I'm wasting time.
Rest is not wasting time. Rest is part of the process. If you don't rest, you burn out, and then you can't do anything at all. Think of it like this. Your mind is like a machine, and if you keep it running without stopping, it will break. Taking a break is not weakness. It's necessary.
I never thought about it like that. Maybe I've been too hard on myself. I push myself, even when I'm tired, and then I wonder why I feel exhausted all the time.
Exactly. You're expecting too much from yourself without giving yourself enough care. Try to be a little kinder to yourself. You don't have to be perfect every day. Some days are for progress, and some days are just for rest.
Do you ever feel lost like this?
Yes, of course. I just don't always show it. There are days when I feel confused, when I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. But I learn not to stay in that feeling too long. I accept it. Then I try to move step by step.
I thought you were always confident.
Confidence doesn't mean you never feel lost. It means you keep going, even when you feel unsure.
That's actually comforting to hear. It makes me feel normal.
You are normal. What you're feeling is something many people go through, but they don't talk about it. That's why it feels like you're alone in it.
Talking right now really helps. I feel like the pressure in my chest is getting lighter.
That's because you're not keeping everything inside anymore. When you speak, things become clearer and less heavy.
I think I need to do this more often, instead of just thinking alone.
Definitely. Talking is important. Even if you don't find solutions, you feel better.
What should I do now to feel better?
Start simple. Drink something warm. Sit somewhere quiet and just breathe. Don't check your phone. Don't think about work. Just give yourself a small moment of peace.
That sounds nice. I think I'll try that.
Good. And don't expect instant results. Calmness takes time too.
You're right. I always expect fast results, even in feelings.
You're right. I always expect fast results, even in feelings.
Thank you. Really. I feel calmer now. Not perfect, but better.
Better is enough.
You know what I like?
What?
That you listen without judging.
That's what you need, not judgment.
Yes, exactly.
And you deserve that.
I'll try to remember everything you said today.
Don't try to remember everything. Just remember one thing. Be kind to yourself.
I like that. I'll keep it in mind.
Good.
I think I'll rest a bit now.
Do that.
And maybe later, we can talk again.
Of course.
Okay. Talk to you later.
See you. Take care of yourself.